I made our Nigeria rock buns with some dry fruits, and the result and taste was so amazing. So today I decided to show you how I made it. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made these raisins or dry fruits rock buns. Without wasting time, let's get started. So I'll start by adding some all-purpose flour into my mixing bowl. I'll leave the measurements and the ingredients I'm using in my description box below. After that, I go in with some sugar. You can always add sugar according to your own taste. Some baking powder and the nutmeg for flavor. You can also use any flavor of your choice. Then I'll mix this together. You can also add a pinch of salt to yours, but I don't want to use salt. So mix together. Next, I'll go in with a tablespoon of butter. You can also use margarine for this, or any vegetable oil of your choice. After mixing the butter and the flour very well, it is now time to bring in our star ingredient, which is the dried fruit or raisins. I soaked this in a cup of milk for some hours. That's why it turned to that brown color. I'm also using eggs for this. Then bring everything together. And to help it, we are going to add a cup of or half cup of water to it. After mixing everything properly, this is the consistency we have. The next thing is to fry it. And this is the way I'm going to be throwing it or popping it or dropping it in the oil. Just demonstrating that. So let's go and fry our rock buns, our fruity rock buns. Heat up some oil for deep frying, and once it bubbles this way, know that the oil is ready for frying. So start frying our buns. Fry on medium heat for about 4 to 6 minutes or 7 minutes, and then flip to the other side so that it can also fry and brown. And once you have this beautiful golden color, you know that our buns is ready to be taken out from the oil. Look at how beautiful the fruits are looking on the buns. Yeah, and here we have our fruity rock buns. Look at how yummy it is. That is how yummy it tasted. It was so delicious. Crunchy on the outside and the soft in the inside. Everybody loved it. Everyone loved it, including the kids. They all loved it, and they wanted a bit of that raisin or dry fruit in it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're going to give it a try too. You need to try it. It's so yummy. So yummy. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and share. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.